How to fix corrupt registry in Windows 11. So if you want to fix the corrupt registry in Windows 11, then just follow the steps. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to simply repair your system. Now, in order to do this, you just need to simply press the Windows button and head over to the settings. Under settings now on the left side, you will have system option. Under system, you need to scroll down and go with the recovery. Under recovery, you will have advanced startup. So you just need to simply go with restart now, click on restart now, and you just need to simply follow up. You just simply get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with startup repair. And once you click on startup repair, it will repair your Windows. And after that, you need to restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Now, moving on to the next useful solution is to run an SFC scan. In order to do that scan, you need to simply press the Windows button and you need to search for CMD, which is command prompt. Go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you will have the command prompt. Now you need to enter the command, which is SFC space / scan now, and then hit the enter. Now this will scan your computer. It will take a bit of time, so don't lose your patience. Afterwards, after the scan is finished, make sure to restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Alternatively, you can also run the DISM command. So you need to simply again go with the Windows and go with the command prompt, run as administrator, go with yes, and just copy paste the command which I've simply entered in the description. Once you enter the command, you just need to simply go with enter. It might also take a bit of time. Then you can simply restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is simply go with these settings. Under settings, you need to go with system, scroll down, go with recovery, and here you will have reset PC option, right? Reset this PC. Click on reset PC and it will give you two options. You can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. If you want to keep your files, go with keep your files. And you can do a cloud download or a local reinstall. And after that, you need to restart your PC and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your corrupt registry in Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.